Planar graph representation of a square pyramid. How many vertices, edges, and faces does it have? The first thing I need is a representation or a drawing of a square pyramid. And so here I have one. Let's note that with a square pyramid, the base is a square, and the four sides around it are triangles. To get a planar representation, the idea is to look at the graph from the top down, and when we do that, there's several different ways to do this, but I'm going to use the square for the base, looking from the top to bottom. I'll place a dot for the apex where the four triangles meet, and the edges that signify the four triangles that stem from the base of the square. So the question then is, how many edges, faces, and vertices does it have? Isn't it a lot easier to count them on the planar graph? From here we see the vertices. Those are the dots, and I see 5. Now faces, those are the surfaces. And again, looking at the planar graph, I only see 4, but remember that the square is at the bottom, so it's actually 5. So we have vertices and faces. What else do we need? Oh, edges. Okay, so edges are the lines that join them together. You can count them from the actual square pyramid or the planar representation, and when we do that, you see 8 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put check marks on them so I can count them off.